The NMOG IT solution provides access to multiple open access tools to its user, from demand estimation of oxygen bed occupancy and consumption, to unit conversion that convert various units of oxygen in the click of a button. A cost analysis tool also helps the user compare operational costs across various assets in their facility. Upon logging in, the user interface provides various options in a vertical sidebar, with a dashboard option that displays interactive tiles and charts. Information on medical oxygen infrastructure, daily oxygen consumption, bed occupancy, disease-wise patient load, human resources, as well as the oxygen skill trainings that are provided across facilities are captured and visualized in the dashboard. Users can also filter the visualized data to any region or facility of their interest. Captured data can also be visualized as maps across more than 20 indicators. All features of the NMOG IT solution explained here have also been made available as a mobile application across Android and iOS platforms.